So obviously my decision is, and I've talked to Mel about it and she agrees now. I've pointed everything out, I've talked her out of it. She agrees it's not a good idea, which is what I said to you anyway, guys. The Sari store, no. I wanted to show Mel respect by at least considering what she was asking me. If I'd have said absolutely not, then we'd have probably had a fallout. She'd have fell out with me. And I don't like it when she falls out with me because it's not very pleasant. So, look at these. Tell me what the name of this tree is, guys, will you? Because I've got Filipinos that watch my channel. Because these are absolutely gorgeous. They're so sweet. So, I can't remember now. Yeah. I was going to tell you. So, in between us working out if we're going to take the store on, the other reason is her mum's got 4 loans to buy stock for the shop. She just borrows money to buy stock, but she's not making any money, so she's loaning money to just keep the stock to just keep the shop going, which is ridiculous. It doesn't make any sense at all. The other thing I would have done is I'd have started renting karaoke's as well. Now people says don't get karaoke's because what happens if they break down? Well, I'm pretty decent at repairing things. Oh, yeah, that's the good news, guys. I've actually repaired my laptop. It's working now. It was the power supply failure, and the heat sink was all dry. So that's probably why the power supply failed, because it was getting too hot again. So all that's sorted. Me laptop's up and running again. So that's absolute relief. So I think I could repair them myself, because I mean, you know, what really goes wrong? You know, they pull the mic connection breaks and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, it's not happening. So I've decided not to take on the shop, guys. You'll be relieved to hear. So that's about it. That's what I wanted to talk to you about and just tell you thanks for all your comments. Really appreciate it. Really sensible comments. Sari store, guys. No, it's a money pit and it's 24/7 for not a lot of reward. You know, even if you do everything by the book, you know, write stuff down, what you're selling in a day, the big stuff, you know, sort your money out at the end of the day to see what you've sold, what profit you've made, and then sort all that out over the month to see what your income is. But Ma doesn't do that. She just spends and spends and spends what she needs, regardless of how she's going to fill the shelves again. You know, you can't spend anything other than profit. You can't spend the money that's going to restock your shelves. And that's what Filipinos do. They just live for today and don't think much about tomorrow. So come on, let's have a look at my doggy. There's a lot of people been asking. Come here then, come on. Look at him, he's lovely now. See how there was bone here before? He's solid now. He's absolutely solid, aren't you, baby? Aren't you? Yes, you good boy. Yes. And he's living in there now, so he lies down in there, so he's out of the sun and he's out of the rain. So he's a lot better off. Look at him, he loves me. Oh, you love me. You're a good boy, yeah. You're a good boy. He is, he's such a good dog. He's no good as a guard dog. He's absolutely no good, because he'd lick you to death. He's too soft. So Mel's gone into town to get me some avocado, because in one of my shakes I cut the seed. Never, well, that's what we say in the UK. Never throw an avocado seed away, guys, because the stuff in that avocado, what it can do for your body and nutrients, is the only problem is though, it's very, very bitter, very bitter. But how I do it I cut it in half and I chop it up, and then I'll put it in my bullet and get it into nice little pieces, and then I put it into my shake, put a little bit of honey in to help, natural honey, organic honey. Never use that other rubbish because it's full of sugar and all kinds of additives. So I get my honey from Centro, and it's, for a bottle about that big, it's about 110 pesos, something like that. It's well worth it because it's organic honey, it's natural, no additives, nothing. And then I'll blend it with half the avocado as well, put a bit of melon in, maybe some grapes, some apples, some oranges, and it's beautiful. And you can't taste the bitterness of the avocado, and it helps all kind of ailments. So that, and along with other stuff I take, I keep putting weight on because I'm like a yo-yo. 1 minute I'm alright, then there's a party and I get talked into eating too much. I've not got the willpower, guys, and then I put a bit of weight on, then I'll lose it again, then I'll put a bit of weight on. But I'm trying this time to be good and not to do that, but it's really hard, really hard. Come on, let's have a look at this shop. You never see any people in this shop, and you can see how it's come on. There's 2 other units available now. Even if them units were taken up, that shop's not going to do anything, because everything's 2 or 3 pesos more expensive in there. And you can see it's going to go up another 2 floors. There's another 3 units there, and then it's going to go up 3 floors, sorry, 2 floors, yeah, 2 floors, and it's going to be office space or apartments, whatever gets rented. But it's like 10,500 a month for this shop in rent. Then they've got their electric and water, and they're not getting any customers. Look, nobody's in there. You never see anybody going in. This shop here it doesn't open till about 9-10 o'clock. Oh, it's got a customer lock. 9-10 o'clock, and they've hardly got any stock in there at all. And I'm just giving it a little bit of time. The only reason it's still open is they live there as well now, the other people that were in, because this is about the 4th set of people that's tried the store that didn't live here. So it may stay open a little bit longer, but I can't see it because they haven't got no stock. And of course, if you're like me, if you keep going to a store and they keep saying they haven't got something, then you keep going to the places that's always got it. I mean, the other thing I can't understand as well is Mars selling that rice for 40 pesos a kilo. Now the same rice across there is 43 pesos a kilo. So if it's 43 there, why not put hers up to 43 and sell it for the same price? You know? But hey ho, that's just me. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's been informative. You little monkey. Yeah, bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. So don't forget to subscribe and share our videos. And what's the other one? I can never forget because Mel does it all the time. And oh, thumbs up. Subscribe, thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up because it gets my videos a little bit further up in YouTube. And don't forget to visit BritainThePhilippines.com.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy